Today I'm going to show you how. Hey, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I want to show you how to design ID card in Photoshop, then to the CorelDraw ID Card Template and print from there. So when you are done with the design, you simply save your ID card in whatever format you want, but you can save it in basically two formats, either JPEG or PNG. You specify the name and specify the location where you want to save it. In this case, we are saving on the desktop. After you have exported your design, that's your ID card, to the desktop, you now come to the CorelDraw template, which I expect you to have gotten or downloaded. The template is designed in landscape format, so I'm going to import the design. I'll come here, import. Remember, we saved on the desktop, so I just browse to the desktop and pick the design. So that's how to design in Photoshop. You design your ID card in Photoshop, save it on the desktop or document, wherever you want to save it, either in JPEG format or PNG. Then when you are through, you open your CorelDraw template. Then you just do simple import. You just import it, and then you print. So while that is loading, this is the ID card. I click here and say import. You drop it, resize it. Okay. Now this ID card is designed in portrait. So I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees here. Then you fit it into this space here. That's it. If you have the back, you do the same thing here. Okay. Another way to import into CorelDraw, I know that most people that are using Photoshop are not really familiar with CorelDraw, but it's not so difficult like that. You can easily open it, go to your desktop and drag your design into CorelDraw. You just drag and drop. That's it. So you just drag and drop and repeat the same thing. Size it and rotate 90 degrees. Enter. 90 degrees here and press enter. Just adjust it here. So that's it. Once that is done, you will now go to print. You go to file, click print. Then you select your printer. Canon TS 700 series. That's the printer we're using. This tutorial is specifically made for Canon TS series. So when you click select the printer, you go to preference, you come to media type, other papers, and then you select printable disk. So okay, come to this paper size and select multiple tray, multi-purpose tray. Then that's it. Every other thing falls in place. Then you click OK. You apply and preview, or you simply click here. So you see the preview. Everything is set. Then you can click print to print. Thank you for watching. I have other videos on how to print ID card, an extensive tutorial on how to print ID card. If you want a more detailed explanation on how to print the ID card, you can check out my other videos on it. This tutorial is specifically for those that are using Photoshop and they want to know how to design their ID card in Photoshop and print it out, or how to bring it into CorelDraw and print. As you can see, it's very simple. You design your ID card in Photoshop, then you save it in JPEG format or PNG, then you open your template, you just bring it in, set it within this border, and then go to print, select the printer, some few settings and print. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, ask questions, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.